Businesses desperately need video content to compete today. 91% of them are using video right now, and they're all struggling with the same problem. They can't keep up with a consistent posting. If you ever try to offer video services to clients, you know exactly why. Creating professional video content the traditional way is a complete nightmare. Let me show you what I mean. To deliver video content services properly, you have three options. Option 1, you hire a team. You need a video editor. That's about $1,400 to $2,400 per month. You need a script writer, another $500 to $1,000 per month. And then you need software subscriptions. You add another $190 per month. That's $2,000 to $4,000 per month in overhead per client. And you're still managing everyone. You're dealing with revisions, handling endless content communication, and your margins disappear before you even get started. Option 2, you can use existing AI video tools. Tools like Synthesia and InVideo seem like the answer until the $64 to $149 per month bill hits. And then you realize something big. You still have to write every single script yourself. You have to plan every piece of content and the content calendar from scratch, and you need to figure out each client's brand voice. You need to try to stay consistent across weeks and months. It's why most people create a few videos and then quit. The tools don't actually solve the hard parts. Then you have option number 3, you can do everything yourself. Maybe you think you'll just learn it all. You'll get good at video editing, script writing, content strategy, all of it. It does sound cheaper until you're burning 40-hour work weeks for every single client. And even after all of that work, the content you create is usually shallow, off-brand, and it doesn't actually convert. So you end up with a second full-time job that you never actually wanted. See, here is the problem. Every single option I've listed so far requires either massive overheads or massive time investment, which means you cannot scale. You cannot serve multiple clients profitably, and you definitely cannot build recurring revenue without burning out. There has to be a better way, which is exactly why we built Micro Content Agency. I'm Neil Napier, and my team and I have created the first platform that lets you deliver professional video content services to clients without hiring anyone or doing the production work yourself. Let me show you how this changes everything. Here's the complete system. Step 1, you paste your client's website URL. That's it, just the URL. The AI instantly analyzes their entire business. It extracts their brand voice, their tone, their target audience, their unique selling points. Everything you would normally spend 2 to 3 weeks discovering through questionnaires and iterations is done for you automatically in 2 minutes. You now have a complete brand profile without a single client meeting. Step 2, you generate a 30-day content calendar automatically. Most agencies spend hours planning content. They brainstorm topics and ideas. They research what to post, trying to balance different content types for the same client. This AI does all of that for you. It builds a complete calendar with specific topics for every single posting day. Educational content to provide value, promotional videos to drive sales, and behind-the-scenes posts to build connection. Plus, you can have engagement content to grow the audience, all custom generated for your client's specific business. This works for any niche: gyms, restaurants, coaches, e-commerce, real estate, professional services, everything. You are now 30 days ahead before most agencies finish their client onboarding call. And step number 3, the AI writes professional scripts in their brand voice. Now here's where this gets really powerful. GPT-5 Nano doesn't just generate generic scripts, it writes in your client's actual brand voice using everything it learned from their website. Complete scene-by-scene breakdowns, professional voiceover narration, as well as detailed visual descriptions. This also includes attention-grabbing hooks, clear call to actions, and scripts that sound like a professional copywriter spent weeks studying the brand. But you get them in 3 minutes. Step 4, you create professional videos with point-and-click customization. Now you take those scripts and turn them into finished videos. You can choose from 6 visual styles that match your client's brand. Say Claymorphism for playful modern brands, 3D Pixar style for engaging content, Papercraft for creative aesthetics, all of that. You can select from 3 professional AI voices: Alloy, Fable, and Nova. All sound natural and human, not robotic. You can add licensed background music from the included library. You can enable captions with your client's exact brand colors and fonts. You can apply smooth transitions between scenes. No video editing skills are needed to do this. No design experience is required to get results with this. Just point, click, and the system renders everything for you. Step 5, you publish directly or download for any platform that you want. Once the videos are ready, getting them live is instant. You can direct YouTube upload with one-click OAuth integration or download optimized files for Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, every format, every platform, ready to go. Your client's content goes live immediately. Now here's what this means for you as a business. The system handles 3 clients with 30 videos each per month. You can charge each client $500 to $1,000 per month for ongoing video content. That's $1,500 to $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And here's the difference from traditional agencies. You're not working 40 hours per client per week. You're working 10 to 15 hours per week total across all 3 clients. The AI handles the heavy lifting. Brand analysis, content planning, script writing, video creation, all of it. You handle client communication and strategy. That is the business model. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds really good, but where do I find these clients? That's exactly why we are including the complete 3-day cold code training system for you as well. This alone is worth $297 by itself, but it is included free because we want you to succeed. Here's what this system covers. Day 1 and day 2, we're going to help you build your foundations. We'll help you create 5 sample videos in your target niche. You can set up your offer and positioning and make sure it's unique. You'll identify 50 target prospects who need video content. And on day 3, you can start the outreach. You can use a cold code framework to send 10 messages per day. We're seeing anywhere between 5 to 10% positive response rates with this exact system. You can book multiple discovery calls by doing this, and when you execute this, you can demo and close those clients with simple 15-minute demonstrations, where you paste their website URL live on the call. You can show them their content calendar being generated in real time. You can show them the sample videos in their style, and you can close deals on the first call for anywhere between $500 to $1,000 per month. And then you do this over and over again for multiple clients. This is a complete system for finding clients, running demos, closing deals, and delivering ongoing content. Everything you need is included in this platform. AI brand voice extraction that actually understands how brands communicate. 30-day content calendar generator with automatically balanced content types. GPT-5 nano script generation that writes in your client's voice. 6 professional visual styles optimized for different brand needs. 3 premium AI voices that keep viewers engaged. Multi-client dashboard to manage everyone in one organized place. And direct YouTube publishing so clients can go live without one click. Plus, you also get platform optimized downloads for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We also include a licensed music library with 4 curated tracks. There's caption optimization to match every client's brand colors. You also can give your clients portal access so they can preview everything before it goes live. Plus, you get commercial rights to charge whatever you want and keep 100% of the revenue. Now, this is where all of this costs. Look, if you try to build this the traditional way, you're going to be looking at about $2,000 to $4,000 per month per client in overhead alone. Micro content agency costs $37 one time. Not $37 per month, not $37 per year, just $37 one time, single payment, no recurring fee, lifetime access. And of course, you're protected by our 14-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead, use it, onboard your first client, generate their content calendar, create the content for them, go close them, and make some sales. See the results for yourself. If within 14 days you don't see how this can build you recurring revenue in your business, just reach out for a full refund, no questions asked. This, my friend, is the future of how video content services will be delivered. Systems that handle the production work automatically while you focus on clients and growth. The people building recurring revenue businesses right now are the ones using systems like this. Not hiring teams, not spending 40 hours per week. They're leveraging AI to do what used to require an entire production department, and they're charging the same rates that agencies with huge teams charge. So click below to secure your access to Micro Content Agency at this one-time price. Go ahead and start your first client project today.